If you're seeing Krita error code 0, don't panic. In most cases, code 0 actually means success or unknown, which is a little confusing when you're dealing with a crash, failed export, or a weird visual glitch. The important thing to understand is that Krita may have failed without giving you a clear error message, so the real fix is usually in your display settings or export workflow. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to troubleshoot Krita error code 0 step by step, and I'll also show you what to do if it happens during animation rendering. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's start with the most common fix. Open Krita, then go to Settings, click Configure Krita, and open the Display section. Here, you want to look for Canvas Graphics Acceleration. If it's enabled, uncheck it, then restart Krita completely. This one change solves a lot of unexplained crashes, strange black screens, frozen canvases, and general display issues. If Krita has been acting unstable, this is the first thing I would try. Now, if you ever feel like Krita is stuck in a canvas-only mode, meaning the interface disappears and you can only see the drawing area, just press Tab on your keyboard. That toggles the full interface back on. It's a simple fix, but it saves a lot of people from thinking Krita has broken completely. So if the program looks empty or the tool panels vanish, try Tab before doing anything else. Another very important tip is to disable OpenGL in Krita's display settings if the problem keeps happening. OpenGL and hardware acceleration can be great for performance, but on some systems they cause random crashes, visual glitches, or error messages that don't explain much at all. In fact, disabling OpenGL resolves a huge number of unexplained Krita issues, so it's definitely worth testing if the first fix doesn't work. Now let's talk about the animation or video rendering case. If your export stops halfway through and you see a message like "Excited with code 0", that does not always mean the render failed. In many cases, FFmpeg successfully created the file and Krita simply timed out while trying to read it back. So before you assume the export is broken, go to the output folder and check the file directly. There's a good chance your video or GIF is already there, fully finished and perfectly usable. If the file exists, try opening it in your media player or importing it into another program to confirm that it plays correctly. This is especially important because code 0 can look like an error even when the export actually succeeded. That's why checking the output folder is such an important step. So to quickly recap, if you get Krita error code 0, first disable Canvas Graphics Acceleration, restart Krita, and if needed, turn off OpenGL as well. If your interface disappears, press Tab to restore it. And if the error happens during rendering, check the output folder before you panic, because the file may already be finished. If this tutorial helped you fix Krita error code 0, please hit the like button, subscribe for more editing and software tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Krita issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.